Hello everyone. In this video, we have to find the value of n. We are given that a to the power n plus b to the power n upon a to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1 is equal to a plus b by 2. Where a is not equal to b, we have to find the value of n. This was the condition. Now, we are going to start the solution. What is the solution? We are given a to the power n plus b to the power n upon a to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1. This is equal to a plus b by 2. Keeping in mind a is not equal to b, we have to find the value of n. This is looking very complicated even though it is very easy if you do it step by step. Cross multiplication. We are going to cross multiply. Okay, this gets multiplied by this gets multiplied by this. This is equal to 2 times a to the power n plus b to the power n. This will be equal to a that multiplied by 8 to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1 plus b multiplied by 8 to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1. Okay, now this will be equal to 2 to the power a to the power n plus 2 to the power b to the power n. 2 into b to the power n. Okay. This will be equal to a get multiplied over here. We know the theory. Then when a to the power n get multiplied a to the power n, this can be written as a to the power m plus n. Power get added. Okay. Same is the condition over here. A to the power 1 into a to the power n minus 1. It means a to the power n, 1 plus n minus 1. It will be a to the power n simply. Now this get multiplied over here, a into b to the power n minus 1 plus b into a to the power n minus 1. Now b is getting multiplied, b to the power 1 plus n minus 1, it means plus b to the power n. This is positive and this is also positive. This is 2 times n. When it get over left hand side, it becomes minus. So that will get single a to the power n with this. Same is the condition b to the power n and 2b to the power n. When b will come is this side, it will be with negative sign and it get cancelled. 1b to the power n, single b to the power n will remain. Now in left hand side, in right hand side we are simply having b to the power n minus 1 plus b into a to the power n minus 1. Okay. Okay. Bring all these two terms towards left hand side. Then a to the power n plus b to the power n minus a to the power b, a into b to the power n minus 1 minus b to the power b into a to the power n minus 1. This will be equal to 0. Okay. Now in this 2 we are having a common and in this 2 we are having b common. Okay. Pairing this can be written as a to the power n minus a into b to the power n minus 1 plus, okay, minus b into a to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n is equal to 0. Okay. Now we can take b as a as common. In between them, a taken common. Inside bracket we have taken only single a common, then it will remain a to the power n minus 1. And in this a already been taken common, so that remaining is a b to the power n minus 1. Okay. Minus, in between these we can take b as a common, so that a to the power n minus 1 minus b to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this 2 is common. Okay, if this is 2 is common, it means we can say a to the power n minus 1 minus b to the power n minus 1 further can be taken from common over here. This will be a minus b is equal to 0. Now we are having two factors in the multiple of a into a to the power n minus 1 minus b to the power n minus 1 into a minus b. In that case, because it is 0, we are having two cases. Case first, when A minus B is equal to 0. It means A will be equal to B, which is not possible. We are given that A could not be equal to B. So that it means this will be not happen. We have to consider simple this case. Second case, that is A to the power n minus 1 is minus B to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. It means A to the power n minus 1 is equal to B to the power n minus 1. Or we can say A upon B whole to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay? Okay, 1. Now, any number having the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 24 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Whatever the fractional, rational, whatever the type of the number is inside the bracket, having the power 0 is always equal to 1. It means this power should be equal to 0. That is why after applying this power on the fraction A upon B, the result will be 1. It means that n minus 1 should be 0. Only then A upon B to the power n minus 1 will be equal to 1. It means n minus 1 is equal to 0. It means n will be equal to 1. It means that n is equal to 1. The power will 0, then only the result will be 1. Any number with power 0 is always equal to 1. So that this is a number with the power n minus 1 is equal to 1. It means n minus 1 power should be equal to 0 and hence n will be 1. The answer is n is equal to 1 but A is not equal to B with this condition. Now you can check yourself. If n is equal to 1, then this is A, this is B, A plus B. This is n is equal to A to the power 0, it means 1. B to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It means we'll get the result A plus B equal to 2. It is very much conform. Thanks for watching my video. Keep enjoying my video and don't forget to like and subscribe this, and please be happy. Good luck for you in future. Good night. Good luck.